Every Sunday at 3 p.m. I do this 60-minute routine that keeps me organized and prepared and stress-free all week long. I'm going to show you exactly what I do minute by minute so you can create your own routine. What's up, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, YouTube tips and more. So last week we planned our entire year of content. This week we're zooming in on weekly levels because annual plans don't work without weekly executions. If you don't have a Sunday routine yet, you're starting every week behind. I'm going to fix that today. And if you're thinking, I don't have time for this, I promise you, spending 60 minutes every Sunday saves you 5 hours during the week. Let's dive in. Why Sunday specifically? Well, 3 reasons. Reason 1, psychology for preparation. There is something about knowing you're prepared that eliminates Sunday scaries. You go into Mondays confident instead of anxious. Reason number 2, clearing mental RAM. Your brain is holding on to millions of things. The Sunday reset is like clearing your computer cache. Everything runs more smoothly afterwards. Number 3, starting ahead versus starting behind. Most people start on Monday morning scrambling. You started Monday mornings executing because you already know exactly what to do. You used to skip this. I'd get to Monday morning and spend 2 hours figuring out what to do, feeling behind all week and never catching up. Sound familiar? Now the Sunday reset changes everything. Now I know you go to church on Sundays, and I'm not trying to bargain on that time, but you know you can make the time to do this, to make everything run smoothly. Okay, let me walk you through the exact 60 minutes. I share my routine, but you can adapt this to your needs. I do mine from 3 to 4 p.m. every Sunday. You pick whether time that works for you. Now first, I grab my journal or open up my notes app. Ask yourself, what were my wins this week? Write down 3 things you were proud of. Doesn't matter how small. Did you upload on time? Did you finally organize those files? Write it down. We don't celebrate enough as creators. Force yourself to acknowledge wins. What were my lessons or struggles? What didn't go well? What took longer than expected? What frustrated you? No judgment here. Just observations. We're not dwelling, we're learning. Quick analytic checks. Open your YouTube studio. Look at your most recent video performance. How's your click-through rate? How's the retention? Any surprise comments? Don't deep dive, just notice. Mental notes are for later. Now we're looking forward to it. Now check content calendar. What video is scheduled to go out this week? If it's not done yet, that's your number 1 priority. Identify the big 3. What are the 3 most important tasks for this week? For me, it's usually something like, number 1, film next week's video. Number 2, edit the week's video. Number 3, respond to partnership emails. Only 3. If you try to do 10 important things, nothing gets done. Time block your big 3. Open your calendar. When exactly do you do these things? Well, these 3 things. Block the time. Treat it like an appointment. This is how tasks become reality instead of staying on a to-do list forever. Now, I used to do those to-do lists and they were bogged down because I didn't have a time set to do anything. It would just go, 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 go. Now, this is a physical and digital cleanup. Now, the physical work, clear your desk. Everything is back in its place. Charge all equipment, cameras, mics, and batteries. Take out the trash. Set up everything you need for Monday morning. When you walk into a clean workspace on Monday, you start working immediately. When you walk into chaos, you spend 30 minutes cleaning before you can start. Digital workspace. Clean all browser tabs. Yes, all of them. Organize desktop files into proper folders. Clear download folders. Respond to any urgent emails, anything under 2 minutes. Update your task manager or to-do list. This is my favorite part. It's fun and energizing. Review this week's videos. If you're filming this week, pull out your scripts or outlines. Read through it. Visualize yourself filming it. And mentally rehearse makes filming so much easier. If you're the type who likes to plan thumbnails, spend 10 minutes sketching ideas or finding reference images. Batch small creative tasks. Sometimes I use these 15 minutes to write 5 social media posts for the week, draft YouTube short ideas if I do them, jot down content ideas that came to my mind, and the key, do small creative things that make the week easier. Now let me show you what this looks like in real life for me. I make coffee or tea. This is a ritual that makes me feel a little different, a little special in the morning. I put on a specific playlist, instrumental music or lyrics. You know, sometimes gospel really lifts my spirits in the morning. I sit at my desk, not on the couch. Mindset shift. I use a physical notebook for the review portion. Give yourself a screen break, but I do have things I have written down. Now use your computer for planning and digital cleanup. I end by lighting a candle and setting an intention for the week. Find what makes your own routine feel good. This isn't about copying someone. It's about creating a ritual that you actually want to do. Now let me save you from the mistakes I made. Mistake number 1, over planning the week. Don't try to plan every hour of every day. Plan your big 3 and leave room for life. Over planning leads to guilt when things change. Mistake number 2, skipping the review portion. The review is not optional. If you don't review last week, you don't learn. Keep making the same mistakes over and over again when you don't check. Number 3, not scheduling the routine itself. I'll do my Sunday reset. Sometimes Sunday is not what happens, but it is put in your calendar at what time is perfect for you to have your meeting. Number 4, making it too complicated. If your Sunday reset takes 3 hours, you won't do it. Keep it 60 to 75 minutes max. Simple and consistent beats perfect and rare. Alright, put your Sunday reset time right now. What time works for you? Download the free Sunday reset checklist. The link is in the description. It has all the questions I asked myself, formatting as a simple worksheet that you can fill out. Try this for 4 Sundays. I promise you'll feel more in control and with your content creation. Hit the like if this was helpful. Subscribe for more organization content every single Sunday. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you there. Comment below, what time are you doing your Sunday reset? Let's build this habit together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.